Hey and welcome. In today's video, I want to talk about my 5th month on Etsy. I don't know if you like these kind of monthly updates. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm actually in my 9th month on Etsy, and the reason why I wanted to delay a little bit my recording of my journey is because I wanted to see if it's working or if it's not working. But now I think it's even important that I report everything because, normally on YouTube you just see the successes and you don't really know what the reality could be. So even if I have a bad month, I will obviously let you know and talk you through it because sometimes you have to go to up and downs, and the most important is that you don't give up, right? So let's do hard things together and let's create our dream Etsy shops. If you haven't started Etsy already, then you find a link down below where you can actually have 40 free listings. And if you're still looking for ideas of what you could sell, I also have a link down in the description below with 50 digital product ideas you can grab for free. Okay, if you're on your Etsy journey or any digital income you want to create for yourself, then subscribe to this channel so we can go this journey together and exchange our experiences. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Are you ready for my numbers for my 5th month on Etsy? I actually started in May 2023 and my 5th month is now September 2023. So I normally talk you through my numbers, and then at the end of this video I show you my previous months and kind of compare what has happened, how many visits, how many sales, how much revenue I made, so you see a nice comparison at the end. Let's jump to my screen. So here you can see the month of September. My visits were 3,345, which is actually an increase in traffic. It's probably more than 1,000 visits more. I think it's probably mainly because of Pinterest. I mentioned it a few times that one of my pins went viral on Pinterest, and then I really had an increase in traffic from Pinterest. And although if we scroll down here, social media you can see has 858, so you can say maybe it's almost 1,000 more. And also direct traffic. Actually, I do run a Shopify website as well. And what I discovered sometimes is that direct traffic is actually Pinterest. So I feel like it is possible that some of this direct traffic is basically mistaken and is actually social media traffic from Pinterest. But it's obviously just an assumption because I don't have the data to really prove it. And then when we scroll up again, we can see I have 116 orders, which is also more than last month. I had 96. Not that many more, probably about 20 more. And then you can see 10 orders was my maximum on the 5th of September. Here we have 9, and then I did have 2 days with 0 orders. So it's not too bad, but obviously it wasn't a huge jump. And then conversion rate is 3.5, which is actually a bit worse than last month. In August it was 4.3, and I think that's because I had 1,000 more visits than the previous month, or even more than that. I think the traffic from Pinterest, not a lot converts, although you do see a little bit of an increase. But at the end of the day, I did make more money than the previous month. Actually, so 5,058.50 Swedish krona is $484. So that is actually an increase from last month. It was $380 in August. And you can see 412 Swedish krona was the highest, 413.50, which is about $40 basically. I made max in a day. And then again, when we scroll down to look at where the traffic is coming from, this time it's 47% from Etsy and 53% from basically me, which is direct traffic. We established that. It's a lot. Sometimes you don't know, but I think it's also Pinterest. Social media is mainly Pinterest. And then I also ran Etsy ads. So it is quite different from last month. So now more and more traffic comes from my side actually than from Etsy. So this will be interesting to look at each month where it comes from, because it does change a little bit. And here you can see how much I spent on ads on Etsy. Views were 6,085, clicks 100 37 and 9 orders. My revenue was almost $61 and I spent almost $39. So this was quite good. Again, I spent less than what I made, so that's kind of what I want to see. I started out with $2 spent in the first week and then I went down to $1. So here you have a little bit of an overview of my ad spend. You can see I sell digital products, printables, so my revenue is not always that high. Making like $13 on a $1 ad spend is pretty good, but obviously there's many days where there are no clicks at all. And here you can see a nice overview starting from the first month, which was in May 2023, second month, third, fourth, and now we are here in September in the fifth month. So here I mentioned already the visits were over 1,000 more than the previous month. Orders, I had just 20 more, so that was not very high increase. My conversion rate actually dropped. Ad spend $38, very similar to August. And then here the revenue actually increased by a little bit more than $100, $484. Profit was at the end $309, which is an increase of $65 from the previous month. So you can see there is an increase. Again, nothing which is like, wow, this is amazing, and I understand that. But from next month, it looks actually a little bit different and there will be quite a bigger jump. So I'm very excited to talk about my 6 months on Etsy. But here you just have a very realistic growth kind of on Etsy when you start out. It's not crazy, but it is growing. So I'm happy to kind of show you what a realistic journey on Etsy looks like with selling digital products. Okay, that was my 5th month on Etsy. I wouldn't say it was like phenomenal, but it was pretty okay. And I can tell you from my 6 months, it looks much better. Finally, we can see a little bit of a jump and I'm very excited to show you in one of my next videos. So stay tuned and I will see you in my next